G'day all you wonderful people, welcome to Adventure Together. My name's Al, trail name Lookout, and today we are climbing all day. The whole day is going to be going up. The sunrise this morning has been stunning. I can't stop taking pictures. Absolutely beautiful. The snow is a bit more crunchy than it was yesterday when we felt in the afternoon we were walking on mashed potatoes. It was just slush basically. And we started this morning, would you believe it, at 2:30 a.m. So we've been going now for a few hours. I didn't want to film before the sun came up because I know that when I take photos in the dark, or sorry, when I take videos in the dark with this phone, that they don't come out looking too pretty. So I waited for the light to break before I greeted you all and brought you into the day. So I'm once again lagging way behind by taking photos of sunrises and by talking to you guys. So that's not your fault, that's my fault. Let's go catch the rest of them up. Worth it. How's the morning going?
Good. I'm proud of the group. I'm as usual too goal oriented, so I have a resting bitch face, so probably people think I'm sad or something or angry, but I'm just focused, you know. But I don't know. It's a bit cold. This is first cold night for the feet, I think. A couple of us has had some problems with our new boots, some pains and shit. It's a stupid idea going in with new boots, but I mean, we had no choice, we felt, but we might switch some gear in Bishop. We'll see.
Okay. What about yourself, Jackpot?
I feel like the hike has been the easiest hiking we've done.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, my new boots are destroying me. Lightly.
Mentally and physically.
So, yeah, I think I will be doing some gear change when we get to Bishop.
Yeah.
Whole snowpack has just split here like a miniature crevasse. This is the lunch spot situation we got going on, and the view in front of us. So I've got rehydrated couscous that I've been cold soaking, and it's got rehydrated beans, textured vegetable protein, soy chunks, olive oil and seasoning. A taste sensation, the taste of the future, all in a peanut butter pot. And we are back at it again after lunch, and the snow has been patchy at best throughout the day, and fortunately today it hasn't been as bad as yesterday yet, but we'll see. The sun is getting warmer. The sad and final resting place of a child's balloon that has floated all the way here and landed in this tree well. Time to get packed out, I think. You're coming with me. Let's take you to a trash can somewhere in about a week's time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicken Spring Lake. It's stunningly beautiful here. And we're going to go and chip away at some ice to get some water underneath. We have water.
Awesome.
Get your scenic down in that.
Yeah. What a crazy view.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Go back. Okay.
Try to get this as well.
Ladies and gents, just look at that view. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. That's the frozen lake down there. Whew. We come up high pretty fast.
Didn't even trip over myself.
A little fall there for
Continues down.
bushwhack.
That's post holding to your neck. Oh god.
Snow update. For the whole afternoon we've been walking on slush puppies. It's like walking on mashed potatoes. It's horrible. What do you think?
Mashed potatoes, sponsored by Idahoan. Nice form.
This is Rooster trying to glissade.
Alright, my turn.
Hey. Come on, Stitches. Great success.
Maybe it's easier with certain types of snowshoes.
Do you think you'll have much success, Jackpot?
I think I'll have more success than that, but less success than Bushwhack. Because he's just a wizard on snowshoes. Why does he just know how to do everything?
It's unfair.
It's unfair. It's the Swedish genes.
You got this, Jackpot. Let's go. Do you want to push?
I took a lot of snow with me.
So we've reached our camping spot and some of the guys are airing out their wet tents from the storm last night. Like that one over there, or 3. Worth it. Well,
Yeah.
Sum up the day.
Ooh, it started amazing with an early start. We did a lot of miles. I felt good. The group was focused and we made it quite far. Then came some leisure time, and then finally at the end there were post holding 2000, which is endless post holding. It was quite hard, but we made it in the end.
Hey.
Nice.
Let's get your summary right now though. Bushwhack summary.
Yeah, the morning was shitty. Just dark, cold, frozen feet, don't see anything. And then the sun came out and my mood just... And I could use my snowshoes and fly forward. So yeah, in the end, pretty good.
And now with the Swedes about to start a civil war over what was the better part of the day, that's it for me. Thank you for joining me and I'll see you in the next one.